Alright everybody, in today's video I am going to show you how to stay productive on a Windows 11 PC and make your desktop look clean, which is going to be part of that to be less distracted. So we're going to get on with the video. So first thing while we're here on the desktop is to hide desktop icons. Why would you want to hide desktop icons? Because all these big icons can be distracting and make you open up a bunch of unnecessary apps and get sidetracked in what you're doing. So what you're going to want to do, right click on your desktop, go to view and hit show desktop icons. Now you can see you have a nice clean looking slate, no distractions. The next thing you want to do is how to have a max of 3 items pinned to your taskbar, preferably apps you use all the time. So those apps is going to be a file explorer, in a browser, and another app of your choice. You can also have 4 or 5 if you really need to. You're going to want to right click, unpin, and do that with every app. So for me, the apps I use a lot is File Explorer, CapCut, Firefox, Notion, and OBS, so I'm going to leave those pinned to my taskbar. Next thing falls into this is to unpin system tray icons, because those can also make your computer look less clean. So you can just drag and drop those onto here and hit unpin. Great, now your PC looks so much cleaner. So choose a simple wallpaper like the one I have here. I'll have a link to this in the description where you can download it. So, or you can change your wallpaper by right-clicking, going to personalize, going to personalization, hitting background. You can choose either a Windows Spotlight, which will automatically pick from a few beautiful wallpapers every day, or you can do a solid color for that, or you can do a picture like I have. Next thing is related to a taskbar. So instead of having your big accent color that can kind of draw attention to it, is to install Translucent TB. And Translucent TB is the app that basically removes that and makes it clear like I have. It lives down here inside your system tray. I'm going to show you how to install that. First, you're going to open up the Microsoft Store. Hit and open it up. Once you're in there, you are going to search for Translucent TB and click on it if it comes up in the recommended. And then it'll say get. Click on that and hit install, and then hit open up. Hey everyone, thanks for watching and engaging with my tech channel. If you enjoy the content, I'd love it if you could like and subscribe for more updates, behind the scenes insights. If you're interested about checking out my projects or contributing to my open source work, you can find me at github.com/vortexviking. I'd love to connect with you and see what you're working on. Thanks again for your support, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date on my latest content. Another thing to do is to center your taskbar and keep everything aligned, so that makes everything look much more clean. To center items on your taskbar, right click, go to taskbar settings, taskbar behaviors. Now we're going on to some of the more Windows features. So that is one of them is stop using multiple desktops. Because if you're always going like this between desktops, it's going to be a big mess, and you're going to spend way too much time switching through all your desktops. Next recommendation is to use the clock app. So search for clock, and then you can set a timer. Next recommendation is to use Windows Snap, trying to manually resize windows. Next and last tip to stay more productive is to automatically hide the taskbar. So right click on your taskbar and hit taskbar settings. Then scroll down and hit taskbar behaviors. Scroll down some more and hit automatically hide the taskbar. And you'll have more room for your windows and no distracting apps, and you can only see them when you're hovering over. Alright everybody, so that's it on my Windows 11 Make Your Desktop Look Clean / productivity guide. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so YouTube can get this video out for more people.